Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide specific files or folders from search results on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the privacy and security option on the left side. And then on the right side, we're going to go ahead and scroll down and select searching windows. Go ahead and left click on that. Scroll down and where it says exclude folders from enhanced search, go ahead and click add an excluded folder and then navigate to whichever folder you want to hide from appearing. And that's all you have to do. You would just select it and then select folder, and that'd be about it. If you ever want to make any of these folders visible again in search, you can just select the three-dotted icon next to it and then select remove, and that means it'll become visible once again through the enhanced searching feature. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.